In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7432, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that Allah, the Exalted, loves the servant who is independent of the creation. This means that a Muslim should fully utilize the means they have been provided by Allah, the Exalted, such as their physical strength, in order to fulfill their duties and responsibilities. They should not behave lazily and seek things from people unnecessarily, as this habit leads to dependence on them and it reduces one's trust in Allah, the Exalted. One should firmly believe that no matter what happens, whatever is destined to be their provision was allocated to them over 50,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748. A Muslim should focus on using their resources, such as their physical strength, and trust that Allah, the Exalted, will grant them what is best for them. From a religious point of view, one can become incorrectly dependent on others when they believe that a person, such as a religious and spiritual teacher, will suffice them in gaining success in both worlds through their supplications and intercession. This attitude only encourages laziness, as one believes they are free to behave how they wish and will still achieve success in both worlds through their spiritual teacher. A Muslim must avoid this misguidance and instead follow in the footsteps of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, who had the companionship of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, yet worked hard in sincerely obeying Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings they had been granted in ways pleasing to him. This is the correct attitude which must be adopted. The final characteristic mentioned in the main narration under discussion is being anonymous. This means a Muslim should not strive in worldly or religious matters in order to obtain fame or prominence. This attitude can lead to many sins, such as showing off, which leads to the destruction of one's reward. It is why a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2376, warns that seeking fame is more destructive to one's religion than two wolves which are let loose on a herd of sheep. Instead, a Muslim should strive to fulfill their duties, and if they gain prominence, they must maintain sincerity to Allah, the Exalted, without altering their obedience to Him in order to please people, as this leads to destruction in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.